You'll keep us posted, all right. Well, today a jury was seated and lawyers presented their opening statements in what family members say was the wrongful death of a teenager.
Andrew Joseph III was 14 years old when he was kicked out of the Florida State Fair in 2014, and he was not alone. About 100 other teenagers were also kicked out, but Joseph died. A driver hit and killed him as he tried to run across I-4 to catch a ride home. 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Lasser has more now on today's developments, including demonstrations outside the federal courthouse.
We've prayed for this day, and it's finally here.
His parents call it a long-awaited day of reckoning.
My perfect child. So today is Judgment Day. Today is the day that we demand answers.
After 8.5 years and a daunting series of appeals, Andrew and Deanna Joseph entered the federal courthouse seeking what they call justice for their son, Andrew Joseph III, known to those closest to him as Pee-wee.
We can't stop and we won't stop, and we're just parents till the end.
The day that's going to clear my son's name. That's going to present the facts. The merits of the case has nothing to do with wilding at the fair.
On Student Day 2014 at the Florida State Fair, Joseph was one of about 100 students ejected during an incident along the Midway. He was photographed, removed from the property, and dropped off without contacting his parents, who say their son did nothing wrong. As Joseph tried to run across I-4 to catch a ride home, he was struck and killed.
Say his name. Andrew Joseph III.
Today, local civil rights leaders joined Black Lives Matter in an organized demonstration at the courthouse to show their support.
We know without a doubt that this young man was racially profiled, with no regard for his civil rights, safety, or the concern for his parents.
The wrongful death lawsuit alleges the Hillsborough Sheriff's Office violated federal law, which the Josephs say requires supervision and parental contact when a minor is taken into custody. That didn't happen. Attorneys for the Hillsborough Sheriff's Office have repeatedly cited qualified immunity, claiming it should shield them from prosecution. We intend to try the case in the courtroom, they said in a statement, where the jury will be able to evaluate the facts and all of the evidence.
The heartache don't go away. And there's no healing with no answers.
There have been several security, safety, and policy changes at the state fairgrounds since this happened. The Josephs say they would eventually like to see part of that area named for their son as a historic reminder of what happened there. The trial is expected to last about 2 weeks. In Tampa, Eric Lasser, 10 Tampa Bay.
During opening statements, attorneys for the Joseph family told the jury they would be seeking a $30 million judgment against the sheriff's office. Attorneys for HCSO told jurors while Joseph's death was tragic, it was not deputies' fault. They say 90 people were ejected from the fair that night and 89 of them made it home safely.